Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will find the area of the green square which is tracked between two circles of 6 meter radius. Now writing here x at the side of a square and drawing here a line. Also writing here 6 because it is the radius of circle. Once again a line to a square. It is also radius. Now draw a parallel line to make a right angle triangle. So we can say it is a right angle triangle, and
if these lines are parallel, so this measurement will be same of x.
now we can say the perpendicular line of triangle is equal to 6 minus x, and the horizontal supposing is y. So as we know, according to Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square. So a square means 6 minus x square plus b square means y square is equal to hypotenuse, which is 6, so 6 square. So removing it, now we have 36 minus 12x plus x square plus y square will be same, and 36 square of 6 will be 36. So both sides 36 will be cancelled to each other. Now writing is the term of y square is equal to negative 12x will be positive to right hand side, and positive x square will be negative. To avoid square, applying square root both sides. So now we can say y is equal to square root 12x minus x square. Square root of 12x minus x square is equal to y. Now look at this diagram once again. If the y is parallel to the radius of circle, so once again I am drawing here a line y, and now we can say y plus x plus y is equal to 6 plus 6. It means 2y plus x is equal to 12. Or 2, substituting here y's value, which is 12x minus x square is plus x is equal to 12. 12x minus x square, the value of y, substituting in our equation. So once again 2 12x minus x square plus x is equal to 12. Now apply negative x both sides. We will get 2 square root of 12x minus x square is equal to 12 minus x. And once again squaring both sides to get rid of square root. It will be 4. 2 square will be 4. Square root and x square will be cancelled to each other, and it will be 12x minus x square is equal to 144 minus 24x. 12 minus x whole square is equal to 144 minus 24x plus x square. Now 4 times 12x will be 48x minus 4 times x square will be 4x square is equal to 144 minus 24x plus x square. So writing like terms together, x square negative 4x square will be positive to right hand side, so it will be x square plus 4x square minus 24x. Also positive 40x will be negative here, and positive 144 will be same. So 5x square, sum of 24 and 48 will be 72. So negative 72x plus 144. Now using our quadratic formula, according which minus b plus minus b square means 72's square minus 4, a's value 5 and c's value 144. Our 2a means 2 times 5, a's value 5, so it will be 72 plus minus 72's square will be 5184 minus 2880. 4 times 5 times 144, and 2 times 5 will be 10. 72 plus minus it will be 2304 our 10. +72 plus minus square root of 2304 will be 48 our 10. So it will be 72 plus minus 48 our 10, which is equal to the sum of both values will be 120, and the difference of both values will be 24 over 10. It will be 12 and it will be
2.4. Now 12 is rejected because it is big than 6 and square is small, so we can't take 12. Now area is equal to L square is equal to 2.4 square. So area is equal to 5.76. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and keep watching.